Uh, this is surgical cautery 300 watt with the analog model. Analog in the sense you have to twin the intensity with this mode, as if like how we was having the old radios, like that it is. It is very convenient to use more than the digital. So this is a Cautery 300 watt analog model, which is into plastic model ABS material, which is shockproof. Here the exhaust fan is given, tuning knob for the volume, on off switch, and the mains cord here to insert it here. We are putting on the machine. Below there is a stand, if you want you can use it. In this you will find active handle, which we had provided with the machine. Here there is an active handle port. Left hand side you will get a hand switch. Here you have to connect the hand switch. In this the patient plate cable cord is given like this. In this one side you will be getting a 2 banana jack pin, which you have to connect it to the patient plate. A single port is here, you can find it in the machine. This is for the patient plate. The single pin you have to insert it here. Bipolar, you have to insert a bipolar. Two pins here for the bipolar forceps. The detachable forceps is given with the machine. Toggle switches for the monopolar and the bipolar. Only a single foot switch monopolar is provided with the machine. 3 pins connector, you have to connect it here. Tight it. All the ports are on the 0 mode now. So now we'll start the machine. The left hand side you had found a hand switch pencil with a cut and coke. Machine is into the bipolar mode. You have to switch it into the monopolar when you are using a hand switch or a monopolar. So this is for the to increase the intensity accordingly. For the coagulation you have to increase the intensity, which was 0. This is for the coagulation. The second port is for the foot control. When you are using a foot control, you have to control the machine with the foot. For the blue, coagulation, yellow is for the cutting. When you are doing cutting, you have to press yellow button for the cutting mode. Blue is for the coagulation mode. Intensity will be dependent on to you, how much intensity you want. When you are using a bipolar, you have to switch on the machine to the bipolar mode, which was on the monopolar. You have to go it into the bipolar, and you can control it with a forceps here, and you have to operate it with the blue pedal here for the bipolar, which is provided. Machine was onto the 0. We are increasing the output. This is how you can use a bipolar mode. This is what the 300 watt analog model.